name is Zhang Xueqing, and today I would like to introduce how I become a KOL character. I grew up as a groupie, learning piano, uh, dance, and double bass because of my favorite idols, and I often performed at school events. The development of media later exposed me to more and more bloggers, and I started using some social media apps to try out tweets or videos, as well as imitating the content of some trading bloggers. Later on, I chose to study entertainment industry at university, which fitted in well with the direction I want to take in my future career and gave me more time and opportunities to learn about the carrying tradings in the media market. I was lucky enough to be recommended by a friend to work as an internship for a self-publishing company platform and app platform like TikTok. At first, I was very excited because it was my dream. It was my dream job, and I was very motivated to record some commercial and discuss with my colleagues about the current hot topics and active points. We spent the first 3 months frantically browsing the current hot videos and comment messages, interrogating data to analyze video content and formats, finding the strengths of each creator and matching posts, integrating all the hot videos and the content lines and categorizing them, figuring out position to write scripts, raising numbers and gain experience. Discuss each video based on this date, complete play count, number of retweets, and number of followers um, attracted to optimize the direction. In the future, we would prefer to cash in on the traffic, and I'm looking forward to the first advent we receive for our account, which is what devised me to fight. I was hope to bring some positive energy to the media, to spread positive message and knowledge, and to be more disciplined media creator. I'm very happy that I have made a lot of creativities and gain some fans in the company, and I will have more patience and the confidence to fight for it in the future. I will take what I have learned in my profession and implement it into my future work. Thank you.